Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda, and today I'm going to elaborate or rather teach you about how to uninstall Python from Windows 10 or Windows 8. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. So the first basic tip is go to the Windows bar and open control panel. Here we need to go to the programs, then programs and features, uninstall program. Yes, as you can see there are plenty of files and other programs that are installed and applications too, like Photoshop CC. Here it is the Python 64-bit, which is supported in my laptop. In case in other laptop is will be 32-bit or any other, anyways. Or you can search for appweb.cpl and the same windows will open. So it's a shortcut to it. That's cool, right? So let's get back to the topic. Python 3.8.5 64-bit, we have to uninstall it, and with that I think Python launcher, which is just below it, could be installed, but in most of the cases we have to manually uninstall it. So let's further proceed it and we'll see. So there was a bit personal data which I had to hide, and now as you can see uninstall progress has begun. It takes some times as it is a big file. It will take a bit time. As it was eating up plenty of time, I decided to go to the file manager and show you the area where Python or and its app is stored, that is program file, and there you can see the Python folder is stored there. So we have to uninstall this one. Let's wait for it. And here you can see there are reference assemblies and other stuffs and hardware. As you can see uninstall has been successful. Now let's close it, and now let's, yeah, as you can see the Python launcher hasn't been uninstalled. That I have to do it manually. Let's go for it. Showing warning. Yes, there is again a private data I have to hide. Now as you can visually see that there is no Python application or folder in my control panel or in the folder. Now I have to go to the system properties and check whether the file or any extract file is available. So I have go to the variables of environment variable and check. Yes, there is a Python file. It's apk, I guess. App data. Yes, it was app data. Now I will edit it. Select this one. Yeah, I think this one's got selected, and yes, I will delete it. Yes, as you can see it is deleted, then the whole data is deleted. Now next, the further process, we go to the command prompt and type Python. As you can see, okay, it's directly opening the Microsoft Store to download it. So it is completely clear that there is no Python launcher or the folder. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see in my next video. Do like, comment and share it to your friends, and always do subscribe to gossipfunda for these further technical updates. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section, and do check the link in the description area. Stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching gossipfunda. Goodbye.